Okay, folding Nike t-shirts is a little different than folding regular t-shirts throughout the store. Nike actually has a specific recommendation or specific parameters for folding their shirts, and we try to follow those. Here's a mobile folding board. Open the arms, open the leaves. Nike is folded on 5 sections between and 4. The 4 at the bottom is so that the shirt is narrower at the bottom and folds up nice and neat when you get it on the table. Okay, so you take the Nike shirt.
You're welcome. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.
Fluff it, make sure it's all nice and organized. Center it in the table. Fold one arm over, and this is very important, get that tag out of the way. Nike will be tagged in the sleeves. We want to get the tag out of the way. Fold the other one over, pull that tag up and out of the way. Then you fold it almost in thirds, almost, and then up like that, okay? Then you take the sticker. The Nike sticker should be on the left-hand side of the shirt as it's facing away from you, the right-hand side of the shirt as it's facing you. Nice and neat over here. Okay, let's do it again with this one. Fluff it. Center it on the folding table. One side over. Tuck the tag. One side over. Pull that tag up. You'll regret it if you don't. Fold it almost in thirds, smooth it out, lay it flat, and make sure the sticker is on the right-hand side as the shirt is facing you, left-hand side as the shirt is facing away. Smooth it out, put it on the table. Our shirts are folded in size order. Largest size, smallest size on the top, largest size on the bottom. That goes for every shirt in the store. We go small to large, top to bottom. If there are 2 stacks, we go small to large, left to right. So you'll have small, medium, large here, extra large, double, triple here. It is important that the customer is able to see the size stickers so that on these Nike shirts so that they don't unfold everything. And that's it.